Welcome to Buy Wholesale Cabinets. Today we're going to be putting together our WD1848. This cabinet consists of one door and two drawers. To assemble your cabinet, you'll need a box cutter for unpacking, a rubber mallet for gentle adjustments, a nail gun with 1.5-inch nails, an 18-gauge staple gun for fastening, a screwdriver, and a power drill for quick assembly. Let's take a look at each component. Bumper stops for smooth door closing, corner brackets to connect the frame to the sides and back, soft close door hinges, bottom drawer corner brackets for stability, rear drawer supports for added durability, 1/2-inch screws for the L brackets, 5/8-inch screws for the hinges, 1 1/4-inch screws for general assembly, 1-inch wood screws, soft close drawer glides for smooth and quiet operation, shelf support pins to hold adjustable shelves securely. Now that we've reviewed each part, let's move on to the assembly process. We'll start by placing the cabinet face frame flat on the table. Once you've done this, attach the L brackets. These should be positioned facing the grooves of the face frame. The holes are pre-drilled, so secure the brackets using the panhead screws provided in the box. Once the L brackets are in place, insert each side panel into the grooves. Make sure they are properly aligned and flush with the top of the cabinet face frame. Misalignment here could cause issues in later steps. This step also ensures that all grooves line up correctly at the bottom of the cabinet. After the sides are secured, insert the bottom panel into the cabinet. If needed, use a rubber mallet to gently tap it into place for a secure fit. Next, we'll install the rear drawer support fasteners into the pre-drilled holes. These fasteners will connect to the drawer glides of the cabinet. You can either do this step after you've inserted the back panel or before. If the wall is slightly out of plumb or uneven, you can adjust the position of the fasteners as needed. Once properly aligned, secure them by inserting an additional screw into the center hole to lock them in place. Finally, take the back panel of the cabinet and slide it into position. Then you'll further secure the panel using your nail gun. Once you've inserted the back panel, you will secure it using the 1 1/4-inch screws in the pre-drilled holes. We'll begin by placing the hinges into each of the pre-drilled holes. Use the 5/8-inch screws to securely attach the hinges onto both sides. Finally, add bumper stops to each corner of the door for a soft, secure close. Then attach these onto the side panels of your cabinet. To assemble the drawer, lay the drawer face frame flat and insert the dovetail drawer sides. Use a hammer to lock them securely into place. Once both sides are in, slide the drawer bottom panel into the grooves. Next, insert the back drawer panel into the dovetail grooves, again using a hammer to secure it firmly. To fully secure the drawer, use a nail gun to shoot nails into the dovetail joints at each connection. On the underside of the drawer, at the front, attach the corner fasteners. These will connect to the rails of your glides. Secure the fasteners using panhead screws, the same screws used for your L brackets. Attach the drawer bumpers to each corner of the inside drawer face. With this, your drawer is fully assembled and ready to install. You will notice the drawer pins on the glides that will be inserted directly into the back of the drawer for it to sit in place on the slides. Your cabinets will also come with shelf pegs. You'll see pre-drilled holes on each of the side panels. You may put the shelf pegs in any position of your choosing,